It's a proven fact, and you'll agree with me 100% on this. We all desire to enjoy our lives at its utmost best. Having an attractive and vibrant personality, with a fit and healthy body, is at the heart of it all. It is important to note that, apart from other factors, our diet has a very significant role in leading us to a perfect life that we desire. And today, you'll find out what exactly you need to adapt in your diet for a journey to your desired healthy life. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Now, importantly, the journey towards healthier living often requires a closer look at our nutritional intake. A recent scientific study suggests that some key minerals play significant roles in promoting fat loss. These minerals include calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron and zinc. In this video, we are going to elaborate how these minerals play a pivotal role in weight loss and overall health. And know about the diet that super assists us in easy and convenient consumption of these minerals in our daily eating routine. Let's elaborate it all a bit further. So, fat loss is the process linked to improved cardiovascular health, enhanced metabolism, and overall well-being. And these key minerals, integral to the metabolic processes of the body, aid weight loss by influencing factors like energy production, hormone regulation, and water balance. And guess what? The Mediterranean diet is abundant in these essential minerals. Unlike other diets like keto, Mediterranean diet stands out as a potent tool for achieving sustainable weight loss and enhanced health outcomes. And now, the most important thing. Let's see how consumption of these minerals put your weight loss on fast track. Let's start with calcium. Calcium is pivotal for fat loss, playing a key role in the metabolism of fat. This mineral influences the body's ability to utilize fat as energy, thus aiding in weight loss. Calcium helps to regulate metabolism by stimulating the release of hormones that promote fat burning. It also helps to control hunger by increasing the production of a hormone called cholecystokinin, which makes you feel full. Good news is that the Mediterranean diet is extremely rich in calcium, aiding your weight loss journey swiftly. Foods like Greek yogurt, cheese, and leafy greens such as kale, broccoli, and spinach are excellent sources of calcium. Study proves that regular consumption of these calcium-rich foods can rapidly enhance the body's fat loss processes. Next, we have potassium. Potassium is another essential mineral that supports various bodily functions, including fat loss. It helps manage water balance and reduces bloating, thus rapidly contributing to a lower body weight. Potassium helps to regulate metabolism by increasing the production of a hormone called adiponectin, which helps to boost the body's metabolism. Potassium also helps to control hunger by increasing the production of the hormone called cholecystokinin, which makes you feel full. Good sources of potassium on the Mediterranean diet include fruits, such as bananas, oranges, and tomatoes. Vegetables, such as leafy greens, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. Nuts and seeds are also rich in potassium for that matter. After potassium, now let's move to magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a critical role in multiple biological processes, including fat and carbohydrate metabolism. It assists in regulating blood sugar levels, which can help reduce cravings and excess calorie consumption, contributing to weight loss. Magnesium also aids in producing energy, promoting increased physical activity, which can help burn fat. Foods common in the Mediterranean diet, such as almonds, spinach, and whole grains, are excellent sources of magnesium. Regular consumption of these foods can help maintain optimal magnesium levels in the body. Higher magnesium levels can support weight loss by improving metabolism and energy production. Therefore, a Mediterranean diet, rich in magnesium, can significantly aid in fat loss. Now, let's move on to our next mineral, zinc. Zinc is also a vital mineral that plays several roles in the body, one of which includes aiding in fat loss. It influences appetite and metabolism, thus assisting in efficient weight management. Zinc helps regulate hormones, including insulin, which plays a key role in fat storage and metabolism. Seafood, especially shellfish, which are plentiful in the Mediterranean diet, are excellent sources of zinc. Maintaining optimal zinc levels can support weight loss by improving metabolic function and hormone regulation. And now, the final mineral on our list, iron. Last, but not the least, iron is an essential mineral that aids in fat loss. It is done through its critical role in oxygen transportation. It enables efficient oxygen delivery to the muscles during exercise, which is crucial for fat burning. Iron deficiency can hinder this process, thus potentially slowing down weight loss. Foods like lean meats including fish and chicken, and lentils, which are common in the Mediterranean diet, are excellent sources of iron. Consuming these foods regularly can help maintain optimal iron levels. Adequate iron levels support energy production and exercise performance, which can lead to increased fat burning. Therefore, a Mediterranean diet, rich in iron, significantly contributes to fat loss. Do adapt the iron-loaded foods in the Mediterranean diet, and boost your overall health with fitness. So, how many of these foods you think you regularly eat? Do tell in the comments. And, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Shape Squad is going to be back soon, with another great informative video related to your nutritional health and well-being. Subscribe now, and keep getting all the vital knowledge and tips on fitness and healthy life from Shape Squad. See you.